broken down, stuck vehicles, cars, tractor trailers. You know, we've got massive amounts of snow, plus this.
A severe snowstorm struck southern Ontario, Canada, on the evening of February 12th.
Hey, bonjour tout le monde! Hey, merci à mon ami Michel de m'aider à déneiger.
Covering the region with snow, including the city of Toronto and its suburbs.
Je peux plus avancer. Je suis à peu près à 500 mètres de chez nous. Checkez-moi ça, la rafale.
The next day, the storm intensified, spreading to the province of Quebec and moving further east toward the Atlantic. Weather conditions caused major disruptions in transportation. Schools were closed in southern and eastern Ontario. In the city of Ottawa, school buses stopped operating. By 6 o'clock in the morning, nearly 8 inches of snow had already fallen, and forecasts predicted an equal amount to follow.
Snow, 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 snow.
Public transportation in Ottawa reduced bus service.
जो है वो अंदर इनसाइड गराज के अंदर पार्क की हुई है जो एसयूवी है.
While long-articulated buses struggled with the snowdrifts and got stuck on the roads. The storm also impacted air travel. Toronto Pearson International Airport reported 135 flight cancellations. As it received over 10 inches of snow, while Montreal Airport recorded more than 100 cancellations. In Ottawa, winds reaching nearly 40 miles per hour made snow removal extremely difficult. With a total of 12 inches of snow accumulating within 24 hours. Road clearing crews worked around the clock, and city officials urged residents to avoid travel. Rail transportation also suffered delays, and some platforms were partially closed. Canada Post declared a red alert across Ontario province and suspended mail delivery.
Not too bad still. It's
In Quebec, heavy snowfall and blizzards severely hampered movement. And led to the closure of more than 1,200 schools.
And they'll be here a while until some tows can help winch them out. Traffic is building. Snow is still continuing to fall, but it is dissipating. But we need to get these vehicles cleared so the plows can do their work.
In some areas, more than 14 inches of snow accumulated. Other regions of the country were also affected. On the Atlantic coast, Snowstorms, freezing rain, and strong winds made roads hazardous, caused power outages, and led to transportation restrictions.
It's still mix of
In Western Canada, extreme cold of -40 degrees Fahrenheit gripped Saskatchewan, Manitoba, Alberta, and Northern Ontario, forcing authorities to warn residents about the risk of frostbite. Meteorologists warn that more precipitation and severe frosts are expected in the coming days. The current events confirm scientists' forecasts for the year 2025. The accumulated energy of the oceans is already having a significant impact on the climate, leading to intense snowfalls, extreme cold, and other anomalous phenomena. It is expected that in 2025, the intensity of natural disasters will increase by 12 to 15% compared to 2024. Without decisive action from humanity, this trend will continue to accelerate. Additional information can be found in the video, Cancellations, a brief analysis of the climate situation.